Hey everybody, Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Hey, I just want to talk to the aspiring real estate investors or even experienced real estate investors. It's very important that you pay attention to certain market trends, demographics in regards to the market that in which you want to invest in. One thing that I pay attention to a lot are jobs. Are there a lot of jobs available for the residents? Does the city plan on bringing in or creating more jobs? Because if so, that can be good for you as an investor because people will be able to work, earn money, pay their bills, afford housing, and it's just better for the overall economy. So that's one thing you want to make sure you pay attention to because that can play a big role in whether or not the units that you're going to be owning and renting out are going to stay occupied. So if a township or the location in which you're looking to invest has a high unemployment rate, there's no jobs coming in, the jobs are just not really available for your residents, you're going to have a much higher vacancy rate. And that means less money for you every month as an investor. So I just wanted to kind of give you that little bit of information in regards to evaluating and doing market research. If you want more information in regards to buying, selling, or investing in real estate in general, be sure to give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.